The Peepal tree, a living legend. The Peepal tree, scientifically known as Ficus religiosa, holds a revered position in the heart and mind of millions of people across the world, especially in South Asia. This magnificent tree has a rich cultural and spiritual significance that span millennia, and it continues to be an integral part of various religious, ecological, and social narratives. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of Peepal tree, uncovering their botanical characteristics, historical importance, ecological contributions, religious symbolism, and contemporary relevance. Botanical characteristics. The Peepal tree belongs to the Moraceae family and is native to the Indian subcontinent. It is an evergreen tree that can grow to impressive height, reaching up to 30 meters or more. Its distinctive heart-shaped leaves, which can grow up to 10 inches in length, are one of its most recognizable features. The bark of the Peepal tree is smooth and grayish-white when young, but it gradually becomes raw and darkened as the tree matures. One of the fascinating aspects of Peepal tree is its unique mode of pollination. It is classified as a fig tree, and like other figs, depends on a tiny wasp known as fig wasps for pollination. The female fig wasp enters the fig through a tiny opening, where she lays her egg and pollinates the flowers within. This mutualistic relationship is essential for both the tree and the wasps. Historical importance. The history of the Peepal tree is deeply entwined with the history of the Indian subcontinent and beyond. It has been revered for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Vedic texts. In the sacred Hindu scripture, the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna declares, "Among trees, I am the trees, Peepal trees." This signifies the tree's divine and timeless significance. Throughout Nepal's history, the Peepal tree has been a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment. It is believed that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment under a Peepal tree in Bodh Gaya, making it one of the most important pilgrimage sites for Buddhists. This tree is known as the Bodhi tree, and its descendants continue to thrive in various parts of the world, symbolizing the Buddha's teachings. In addition to Buddhism, the Peepal tree holds significance in Jainism. It is believed that the first Tirthankara, Lord Sisava, attained enlightenment under a Peepal tree. This adds to the tree's spiritual importance, emphasizing its role in the pursuit of wisdom and liberation. Ecological contributions. Beyond its religious and cultural importance, the Peepal tree plays a crucial ecological role. Its broad canopy provides shades which is invaluable in the scorching heat of the Indian subcontinent. This shade not only benefit humans but also support various plants and animals that seek refuge from the sun's intense rays. The peepal tree also contributes to soil fertility. Its fallen leaves decompose and enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Furthermore, the tree's extensive root system help prevent soil erosion, making it an important component of soil conservation in region where it grows. Religious symbolism. The peepal tree is a potent symbol of spiritual growth and enlightenment. In Hinduism, it is often associated with Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna. Devotees offer prayers and circumambulate the tree as a form of worship. It is believed that meditating under a peepal tree can bring clarity and wisdom, and it is common for spiritual seekers to seek solace in its shade.